Hello and welcome to Bitcoin 10x. Okay there guys, so much anticipated TA on Bitcoin. Now I did these early on in my channel, but no one was really taking notes. A lot of the interest was on altcoins. So today I'm going to be setting this up and drawing some lines, much like I did on my previous video about Ethereum. So again, I'm just going to draw simple wedge patterns. So blue line, 3 pixel. Okay, so I'm choosing where I believe is the top of the market, which is relatively straightforward. Obviously, this is the highest Bitcoin has ever been, so it's quite easy to pinpoint these lines. Now, I'm going to draw 2 of these resistance lines simply because there are 2 areas where it does deflect. So we're going to go, there's actually pretty much 3 because it did reject this line here. I'm going to slide out slightly and draw another line at the bottom of the market. So it does cross through these 4 points. Okay. Now, I tend to do monthly analysis. Obviously, the month hasn't been drawn yet. Now, there's an easy way of doing this. If we just take from the beginning of March, just going to draw a simple straight line until the end of March, which is going to be there. Okay, I'm going to color that a different color. Just for the video, go yellow. I'm just going to draw another line to copy that so that we know that that's a month. It's March, and we're going to give that a different color. Just going to move that along to there. Is that in the right place? That is as good as damn it. So, and then from this point, I'm just going to draw a vertical line, and this will give us the end of April. Just going to draw that red. A nice simple way of just capturing the end of the following month. Okay, and then I'm just going to bring the lines that I've drawn up to the end of April. A simple TA here. Okay. Now, there's lots of speculation that by May of this year, Bitcoin is going to hit 100,000. So there is potential the following month and after this red line that the 100,000 is in sight. But where are we going to go in April? So just bring back this chart, see if we can double click slightly, and let's zoom in. So now that I've drawn my lines, just going to zoom in a bit more. Now you can see quite easily that Bitcoin is bouncing in between this trend line, and we're going to the upside. So it looks like we're going to hit in the short term at about 62,881 roughly. We could come back down probably as low as 55 again until we slowly have this price squeeze up to the end of April, which would leave us at about 66,000. However, there is a chance that we would break above this, go to the upside, and that would take us to 68,000. And we could do a similar channel here. Okay, and that would take us above the 76,000 mark. So I'm just going to finish that. So 76,000. So at the moment, that's what I'm looking at. I'm looking at several areas where we could hit just short of 77,000 by the end of April. And if we just tip to the end of the month, so there you go, $78,000. Probably worst case scenario, if we go to the upside, is just short of $67,000. If we remain in this bottom channel here, the best we could do is about 66,000, and the worst is $59,000. So it really does depend on the next sort of 24 hours or so what we're going to do at this resistance line. Are we going to hit it and stay below? Therefore, we're going to be sort of somewhere between sort of 58, 59 and anywhere up to 67,000, or are we going to go up to the upside? Now, if we are going to reach speculation and get to $100,000 in May, we have to go up to the upside and we have to follow this channel. And as you can see, it has resisted and gone up to this top of this resistance a number of times. So if you just scroll back through the chart, you can see that we have hit this uptrend line a number of times. We just fell short of it here, and that's what the top end traders tend to do. They tend to sit back and say, right, all the youngsters out there, all the novice traders have drawn this trend line, I'm going to sell just short of it, and then they take all the profits. That's what they do. Let's just get rid of this dodgy line. So that's what I think, guys. I think the best case scenario is going to be about 77,000, 78,000 tops at the end of April. Worst case scenario, we could be facing about 66,000. That is still slightly above where we are right now, just hitting the 60,000 mark. So I hope you like this video, guys. It is very short. If you like these videos, if you like the technical analysis on Ethereum and Bitcoin, please go back to both of my videos, like, subscribe, share, and comment, and I'll make these more of a regular thing. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.